Welcome to Cooking Americana, great meals on a budget. Today's meal, Pantry Chilimac. This is what you'll need, and there's a link to a printable recipe in the video description. Feed 5 to 7 people for only $7. Start out by adding oil to a pan over medium-high heat and spread it around so it coats the bottom. Go ahead and add those onions. Cook them until they're translucent and slightly brown on the edges. Grab a couple of cans of no-bean chili out of your pantry and just drop it right in with those onions and stir it up. Also grab a can of diced tomatoes and green chilies, rotel we call it here. Add that. Make sure you drain it first. Stir all that in. Now I picked up some bulk taco seasoning over in the bulk section, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It does help me in the algorithms, and it's fast and it's free. Stir that in. And then add the beef broth. I added about 3 cups. This is going to kind of fill your pan, so make sure you stir this very carefully. Don't want any splooshes on the outside. Now we're going to bring it up to a nice little simmer, nice little bubbly, and we're going to go ahead and add our macaroni. About 3 cups of it is what I added. And we're going to stir this and then put a lid on it and cook it according to package directions. So however long it says on the package, that's how long you're going to cook it. Now remember, we're not using a whole lot of liquid in this, so every so often come back and stir it. Make sure you scrape any of the noodles off the bottom. They will stick a little bit. And then just cover it right back up and continue to cook. And when your timer goes off, we're going to turn off the heat. Again, scrape the bottom. Make sure you don't have anything stuck. Get it all nice and combined. Add that cheese, a cup to 2 cups, depending on how much you like cheese and how much cheese you want. And then we're going to stir that all in and get it good and combined and let the heat melt it. Then flatten it all out and add more cheese, of course. Put the top on. Again, we're going to let the heat of the meal go ahead and melt that cheese on top. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. And now it's ready. Pull the top off and scoop yourself a big old helping of it. Put it in your bowl. This is a great meal if you forgot to take something out of the freezer, so you didn't defrost anything. And most people have chili and tomatoes in their pantry. So this wonderful chili mac is super good. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Help me get my recipes out to the world. And as always, y'all have a blessed day.